When you think about the future of cleaning, three things continue to rise to the top: operational excellence, sustainability, and delivering real value to customers. And very few organizations operate at that level, like ABM, one of the world's largest facility solutions providers. Today, we're diving into how ABM approaches these priorities through the lens of ISSA's Cleaning Industry Management Standard, or CIMS, which is a global benchmark that defines what a high-performing, customer-focused cleaning organization looks like. We'll also explore how sustainability is evolving in our industry, what it really means to serve customers in today's environment, and how moments like Earth Day every year reminds us of the impact we have not just inside buildings, but beyond them. And it's my pleasure now to welcome two from ABM, Suzanne Klatt and Adam Klotch. Welcome, you two. Glad to have you on the program. Let's get some introductions. Let's start with you, Adam. Tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do.
My name is Adam Klotch with ABM for almost 25 years. I am Vice President of Operations Support. I also work on our client success. And CIMS is one of those projects that I get to work on that touch both of those things.
Looking forward to hearing what you have to say about today's topic. And Suzanne, your turn. Tell us about yourself.
Hi, everyone. I'm Suzanne Klatt. I am ABM's Director of Sustainability and Government Affairs. I've been with ABM about a year now, and Adam and I work collaboratively on, for example, the CIMS certification as well. When it comes to sustainability, we work together on it.
Well, let's get right into our program. Adam, let's start with you on this question. ABM operates at a massive scale. I think we all know that. When you look at something like ISSA's CIMS certification, what does that mean for an organization of your size, and why does it really matter?
Well, I think first and foremost, it matters because it provides a structure for our organization. At ABM, we have a huge library of SOPs that are written around all the different ways that we operate within our organization. And we do a lot more than just cleaning around here. So it gave us the opportunity to organize those in a structure that is consistent with the way that the industry looks at things. And it gave us the opportunity to revisit a lot of the SOPs that we have and generate a manual for us for cleaning as a whole. Overall, I think the biggest impact for us is going to be to continue to provide consistent service throughout our entire geography.
Adam, let's stick with you on this one as well. For those who may not be familiar, CIMS is often described as the gold standard for cleaning operations, and I know that's ABM's goal, always provide that gold standard. From your perspective, what does it actually take to meet that standard and maintain it?
To meet that standard really did take an effort. It encompasses the entire organization. And so to meet that effort, you have to be consistent with safety and training and legal and down to our basic operational procedures that we see in the field. So it is really the full efforts of the organization as opposed to just an operational frontline type of thing. It is, how does that organization look at as a whole? That cleaning standard, for us to be able to maintain, it really does take that village.
I would say Adam mentioned that it takes a village to do this work, and I guess I'm part of that village doing the sustainability piece of it, which I think is such an added value in addition to the CIMS to be able to do sustainability along with it.
I agree with that. Sustainability is common language nowadays. Now, how we make it all happen is the challenge, and we are going to get deeper into that as well. But Adam, one more question for you before we do that. One of the key components of CIMS is the focus on customer-centered service delivery. How does that show up in the way ABM serves its clients day to day?
ABM's mission is to make a difference every person, every day. And as part of that, we're taking care of the people, spaces, and places that are most important to our clients. And that's really what service delivery is and means to us. So it shows up in the way that we service our clients every day. I think this provides a little bit of organization. I love that it not only includes that green cleaning program, but it includes aspects of safety and training that I think really take care of the 100,000 people that we have here at ABM.
Yeah, that's a lot of people and a lot of people who care. Thank you for that, Adam. Suzanne, we are going to wade into your expertise. Are you ready for that?
Certainly am.
Okay, so let's talk about sustainability. We know it's becoming a bigger expectation across every industry. How is ABM approaching this sustainability, the efforts, not just from a product standpoint, but from an operational and cultural perspective?
Excellent question. I think generally sustainability in all industries has become essentially table stakes. But at ABM, sustainability is not just a concept, it's embedded in how we operate, how we serve our clients, and how we deliver value every day. And so this program, the CIMS and CIMS GB, are really how we can operationalize that thought.
And Adam, CIMS includes Green Building Sustainability with Honors, a new distinction, and includes alignment with LEED and broader environmental goals. How important is that alignment when working with today's customers?
I think it's extraordinarily important, especially with the new LEED standards coming into play, and sustainability has a deeper impact than what used to be in cleaning, the just one point from, picking the right chemicals or using proper processes. So I think that is a huge alignment for us. And I'll go to Suzanne on that for the sustainability section.
Yeah, I have to think she's pretty happy that the CIMS includes that word sustainability. Suzanne, what do you think?
Absolutely. As Adam mentioned earlier about our mission statement, so our mission and purpose is really to transform spaces, champion people, and sustainability. And I think the CIMS GB certification with honors really captures our mission and purpose. So there's a really great alignment between this program and what ABM does every day. And we really had client demand for ABM to work with and get CIMS certified. So we're really excited about it.
Now, Suzanne, as part of this conversation, we want to be sure to address Earth Day. It puts a spotlight on environmental responsibility. And it's a day, but it should be more than a day, I think you would agree. It should carry on. But what's the discussion at ABM about this annual event and beyond?
Well, I think it says a lot when Earth Day is, like you said, just one day, and it's now really become Earth Month, April, the one we're in now, right? And so I think this certification is a really great way to educate our colleagues about what it means to be CIMS GB certified and the sustainability piece as well. And we often see every April that there's a real hunger, both from our clients as well as from our employees, our different stakeholders, about what we are doing for Earth Day. And I liked pairing what we're doing. So we have kind of like an Earth Day toolkit that we can share with clients. And we also have an educational session that we're working with CIMS and ISSA on internally so that we can educate our employees about what it means so that we can go out and use this certification.
Adam, for cleaning professionals watching this, what's one thing, and you can't say be like ABM, okay? You can't say that. What's one thing they can do today, to start doing today, to align with CIMS principles and deliver more value to their customers, which helps the industry all along?
I think it's really taking stock in doing kind of what you've aligned the mission of your organization to do. So making sure that you're verifying out in the field that you're doing the things that you've outlined as the program that differentiates you from the competition and provides good quality service to the client.
Adam, in closing, ABM has become CIMS certified. It's a great accomplishment. But besides the plaque on the wall and the recognition, what did you learn during the process that is really impactful to you and to everyone at ABM?
I think one of the most important things is, even as we started compiling information to the standard, was to try and get that CIMS certified expert early. The CCE, I think, is a really important class, and it helps you navigate the process and really understand the impact of what that CIMS certification means to the organization. I think it also helps you when you get to the on-site assessments to understand really the nature of what you're being evaluated on and how to prepare appropriately.